What is up everyone, this is TeamWS channel. In this video we are going to fix FiveM crash reported issues in Windows 10. So before starting this video, if you're first time on this channel, just don't forget to hit subscribe button and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix these issues, first of all you just need to go to Google Chrome and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.